Welcome to SalesCaptain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a lead follow-up sequence. Let's get started. SalesCaptain lets you automate the entire process of reaching out to a new contact, waiting for their response, and following up, all scheduled and hands-free. Let's build one. Head over to Captain Labs in the left sidebar and click on Automations. Click plus Create Automation. Name it Lead Follow-Up Sequence. Select SalesCaptain Triggers and choose New Contact Created as your starting trigger. Now drag and drop a Send SMS action and type your first message. Hi, contact name. Thanks for your interest. I'm reaching out on behalf of business name. What can I help you with today? Then hit Save. Next, drag in a delay step and set it to 1 day so your contact has time to respond. Now drag in an if-else condition. Set the field to Last Message Received, the condition to Within, and type 1 in the Days field. This splits your flow into a true path if they replied and a false path if they didn't. Under the True branch, drag in an Assign To element so a team member can jump in and take over the conversation once the lead engages. Under the False branch, drag in a Send Email action and choose your new lead follow-up template from your existing templates, which you can create and manage under Marketing Then Templates. Then click Save. Add another wait step set to 2 days. Then drag in another if-else condition. This time, set the field to Check Prior Interaction, the condition to Within, and type 2 in the Days field to see if they've responded. Under this True branch, drag in another Assign To element so a team member can pick up the conversation right away. Under the False branch, drag in a Send SMS action and type, Hi, contact name, just circling back, I'd love to help. Then click Save. Drag in a final wait step set to 3 days, then add one more if-else condition. Set the field to Last Message Received, the condition to Within, and type 3 in the Days field. Under this last True branch, drag in a final Assign To element to hand the conversation off to a team member. Under the False branch, drag in an Add Tag action and enter the tag Follow Up Exhausted. This marks unresponsive leads so you can revisit them later. You're all set. Click Launch Automation and head back to the Automations page where you can see your new sequence live and running. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.